but I think that I can be Slovenian for one day.
Ni mogel se žoge večkrat dotakniti kot pa jaz. Zato, ko ni časa v dnevu.
The journey that they have done, the climb that they have done, it's outstanding.
This team is ready to compete.
No matter if they were winning, losing, they always stayed together.
Jedna ista ekipa 10 godina.
Ves čas potiho verjel v nekaj več.
If you're not crazy enough to believe a dream, you might not succeed.
Nismo v dobrem stanju. V boljšem stanju moramo biti, ko je potrebno za zlato medaljo.
Probaš se s trenerjem pogovarjati, tam če ni vzajemne komunikacije, se nič ne moreš.
I'm fucking crazy, but this you don't know. I take the first bus and I'm not coming back.
A je to znak, da ti ne greš na olimpijado, da ne boš videl Pariza, da ne boš videl olimpijskih iger, to, kar sanjaš celo življenje.
Če pa nismo dali od sebe vsega tega, kar pričakujemo, potem pa nastanejo težave.
Because I really fucking believe if we qualify there, we go to play the finals.
Ker sem pa ziher, da na koncu bom izmagal.
S kim mi igram, človek, ovo je neka vanzemeljska ekipa.
Slovenian is playing just for everybody, for everything.
They are a great example and they can inspire the entire world, showing to everybody that it's possible.
This team can win one medal, but there are 3 medals for 10 teams.